How to share your Instagram story to your WhatsApp status. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can share your Instagram story to your WhatsApp status. So let's dive in. So first you have to open your Instagram app and then you have to just view your story. Just click your story and then it's going to open up. Now you have to click these three dots over here and then it's going to pop up with this window and you'll have many options over here. Now you can see you have no option to share your story to your WhatsApp status. So what you have to do is click save over here and then it's going to give you this pop-up, and on this pop-up you simply have to just click this option save photo, or you can also click save story. So I'm going to click that option, click save story, and then it's going to create a video and it's going to be stored into your camera roll. Now you can go to your WhatsApp and upload the status. You simply open your WhatsApp app and now you simply have to click this plus sign and upload the story by going to the status or updates option. And that's how you do it.